megalayapost.news.
Annual Sports Meet jong ka St. Joseph High Secondary School umdan kabalapan long Hamadan umdan kalapoy siya kabakot apdang ka jingsong shit bat itanat ha kabaki kina school na ki house bopher kilapan iya kisap ilekay jong ki hag jingye ko bopher kani ka jing ilekay kabas dang nadu ka singi baladam bat balasaki ya ka jing shimanta ka basyurham na ki kina school ki balayakun ban khori ki takma bat ki nam job na ka banta ki house jong ki bat ka bakhami tanat kalong bahagatay kalempung ka school kalakan thopru ya ka jingye ko nya bolok ka lani ka kaliding kabalapan chong shit ya ki pajba hagani kisngi penkun kibor penya ka school kila sami kita kama trophy bat kisernat shabaro kinong job ha ki jingye ko bapher kum ka jingi thu ya ka jing turai sitom bat ka jingi le kai bha jongki ya kani kelempung lawan ban penhap no ya kalama do MLA kanong po uba Merrill Bonds em kum kongsan harungkat ka jingi don lang Nikhil Singh chief manager ka SBI nong po kum sumbut kongsan la don lang ru principal ka school father Hamperwa Tengkan SDB vice principal father Thomas Marang SDB bat kiwi kiri rangba habakuran hakani ka jingi lang uba Merrill Bonds mula banjur baka jingil ekai sports kadai kabenta kabadon kambha haka jingim kantam kikna puli ulong baka sports kam a jingirap tang haka kot kakia henry kai rap ru ban penbha ya ka jingmut jing perkhat bat banlat na ki jing kulmar jingmut ula kentu kikna school bakin penmlian yela di haka jingil ekai sports namar kani kan yarap ban kiar na ki jing sni bat ban pen klanya kamet bat kabor perkhat jongki.
Running with full speed, we have the Blue House. Come on, Green House.
Come on, the houses. Outside the podium. Shout for your team. Support your team. Up, up. Up, up. Up the houses, little. Set.
Miss Charity, kindly send the name of the winners from 200-meter race. Kindly send any of the students. Leading forward, we have the yellow house. The red house is leading forward, followed by the green house, yellow house, blue house. Come on, the different houses, let's cheer for your team. Come on, So the winner is the
Second turn.
Haka annual sports meet jong ka St. Joseph Higher Secondary School haga nigasgi. Ngadap yung sokamen ka bakraw bani iya ki events ki discipline ki batumay kamtam ya ka wooden car race lani haga kitin sinong ka chung iya kung ikot ka chong motor ding. Kadai ka ba laslam ngam ju issue kini gi sinong kini gi dong ba hagi competition kamtam ngim ju kami issue ni mereka sengi ngai i ya ketu competition ka ba pen kan mau ye gi por ge ba mensua gi porlok gi por be ngiju song ye gi tu ki motor ding mo bong bi ni hagi por gi barang ile kai ka por barang kena. I cannot imagine that the organizer, the teachers within this school, that you could imagine to encourage students that this discipline will be won of the most memorable discipline today. Even me, I had the privilege to sit on that car, and I have requested my media friends to give me that special photo so that I can frame it properly, keep in a drawing room so that I will remember in days to come. Kalau kay kebesaran tenan bani ia kisap jong ki kena school nadu ki badang red hadu ki kelas 12 ki balai simbenta sirhem hagane ke sports meet ke jong phi hagane ke segi. Dear student, you should remember, as one of the famous thinker of our country have said, let me quote the quotation of Swami Vivekananda: "Arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal." Unquote. This is a very inspiring words in which each and every student we should remember that we should arise, awake, and we should not stop until we achieve a goal. Ngidai ban yang joy, ngidai ban trish tom, ban gim day ban song time, adu pengin dapoi show thong jong ngajing job. Namar kata, hagajing le kai sports, don bejob, don borem, don beyok gold medal, don beyok silver, don beyok bronze. And at the end of the day, ngidai baro kinong job. Kabukongsan kalau ngajing simbenta ke jong pi, ngitanan ban pej, yagi kena school, bisi menta ke nikah, mas drill ke bapidan, kajing renti, kajing itanan, ke disiplin, katno ke penkemen ha bagi pej. Kabukongsan, hagi sports event ki bakum kini, kade kajing simbenta ke jong pi, ngitanan ban i bagi kena menta, ki kena school, himle ranchu kilawan sakmat kidon ki bishim benta hagi jing ruai ki jing shat hagi events ki discipline ki prepare bat nga kentu ya phi ba pinang tristom ba pinang la ban kiu saprang sakmat hagi jing le kai ki jokki wanam kelet ban pentikina bagi kimi ki pa ki jong phi ki pha ki school nagabanta ba pinio e gijing nang gijing star gijing le kai galong ba kongsan dengi di wenang ban pedon kam ya kapor kidon na pedeng jungi ki besultanat ban ruai don na pedeng jungi ki besultanat ban syat don na pedeng jungi besultanat ban long kinong ile kai sports hagi discipline ba prepare don na pedeng jungi ki besmat ban pulekot dan peneng jungi ki pasmat banle ki indoor game ki outdoor game kum ki kimi ki pa ngidai ban krishan ye lagi jong ki khon ki siu ki jong
Meghalaya Post.news